new video. In this video I will show you a Audible affiliate program where you can get $5 for every sign up you make. This is the affiliate program, but your audience do not have to buy any type of product. Okay, you can see the try for $0, and at this option you can see $14.95 a month for 30 days. Okay, cancel anytime, but your ad audience do not have to buy this. Actually, they just need to apply for this, and you will get $5 for this free trial application. Actually, Audible is a audiobook platform. This is a Amazon based company, you can see. So actually they are giving this offer. Actually, when your audience will come to this page with your affiliate link, and they will click on this try for 0.00 dollar free for a limited time, and when your audience give the free trial, they doesn't buy any type of monthly membership at here, you will also get the $5 for this free trial sign up. Actually, this is the only method I find in internet that they provide $5 for every sign up on free trial. And this is a legit platform, you can see, Audible, and this is a Amazon based company. I do not have to explain that what is Amazon. You can go and search. If you don't know what is Amazon, I think you have a low confidence on e-commerce business or any type of online purchasing, because Amazon is the biggest platform for e-commerce. If I search for Amazon, you can see this is a tech industry, and this is a e-commerce business platform. Actually, like Bangladesh have Daraz, India have Flipkart, and India also have Amazon.in also. And I hope you have heard the name of Jeff Bezos. Okay, Jeff Bezos, and this person is now the second richest person in list on richest person list. Okay, you can see if I go at here, you can see her net worth is $121 billion in USD 2020. Okay, in nowadays he have more than 121 billion USD. Do you know how many millions in 1 billion? There are 1,000 million in 1 billion, and he have a $121 billion USD in her net worth. Can you imagine what is the number? And this person is the founder of Amazon. Okay, if you have any risk now in your mind, you can go on a scam advisor. Okay, also I will show you Amazon monthly traffic and Audible monthly traffic. If I go on this similar web, this is the extension where you can research your with any website. You can see audible.com. The website is ranking on 440 on United States, and the global rank is 188. 1888. Okay, you can see the number. So there are lots of website in global rank, but the rank of audible.com is 1888, and this is the Amazon based company. If I go and check on Amazon, you can see on similar web, if I check it, it is taking a little bit time, and I will also show you the Amazon trust score on scam advisor, amazon.com. If I search for here, you can see 100% legit, 100% legit. Okay, and you can see there are many people have react on this website. And if I search for audible.com, you can also copy this link and paste at here, Ctrl V and enter audible.com. you will see this website is also safe. Okay, it is searching for UK, but it is also safe, and this is the Amazon based company. I think I don't have to explain more things at here. Okay, that's enough. And my main work is we have to take our audience at here. So if I go on Google or YouTube, and if I search for audiobooks, okay, you will understand what is audiobook actually. The audiobooks means the online version of a book where you can listen the words of the book actually. Okay, you can see share audio or any type of also he is making a same video of my video. And if a single person try to give a $0 free sign up at here, a free trial, we will get $5. If the person purchase this, we will give one more $10 then. And there is also way for give a $15 profit at here, but we are not going to talk about that thing, but because this is a little bit complex. But it is easy that if a person sign up with your affiliate link at here, they will get 30 days free trial, and they will get 2 audiobooks for free, and you will get $5 without having any purchase reasons. And for this reason you have to go on Audible affiliate. Okay, this is the actually website. You have to search for Audible affiliate, then you have to go on this website. You can see earn a $50 commission for each trial you. Okay, there is no more description available at here, so the website is loading. Actually my internet connection is slow, for this reason the window is not opening very fast. Okay, so you can see this is the website actually, and here is all of the information you will get at here. Okay, this is the actual thing at here. You can see Audible Gold digital membership value and free digital membership value, and there is all of the information you need to have for getting audience and other type of things. And another thing is, I hope that you don't have to use any type of landing page at here. It is actually free and easy to get leads at here, and many people are interested in Audible. They want audiobooks for free actually. So for this reason, if you want to promote this type of offer, you have to at first apply for a account. There are also some countries available where Audible is not available, but you can check where Audible is available. This website is also available in India and Bangladesh, where most of the site is not accepted, but Audible is accepted on those countries also. Okay, if you want a list of country where Audible is accepted, actually if you can visit the website, I hope the reason is accepted actually. And Audible have also some different domain name like audible.com.uk, audible.co.uk, audible.in for India. And actually Audible is famous in most of the countries and available in most of the countries. Only 2 or 3 countries I think they have banned Audible. The main thing is this. And how you can promote this type of offer after getting a if I go on this country option, you can see I have already filled up a account at here. so it is not showing this. You can see this is also available in Bangladesh, and this is also available in India. I will also show this now. I have to go on Israel, Ireland, Japan. Okay, here is India actually. I have mistakenly go down, but you can see this type of countries are also available at here. So I hope your countries will be also available at here. So for this reason, I like Audible, and it is a very good platform for affiliate marketers. And the main thing is your audience do not have to purchase actually. Okay, and how you can promote this type of offer after getting the affiliate link, you have to promote this on this type of videos or any type of other email marketing software, or you can also drive traffic from Facebook. Can you imagine? This is very easy in online marketplace. I hope there is no more website like Audible who give a $5 commission when a free customer or a free trial get here. I hope there is no countries or there is no website is available. Actually, I have country mistakenly. So if you have a website like Audible, where you know that this the website is giving $5 or $10 for every free trial. If you have any website, you know that where this type of website is available and this type of commission they are giving, and the price is only $0 for audience, and then give me a comment on here if you can. But I hope there is no website. So after getting the URL, you have to promote on this type of videos, comment. Actually what you have to do, you have to write this type of message actually. If I go on a new so come on the main thing, how you can promote the offers. You have to search for free audiobooks. At first you have to search for free audiobooks, then you have to write a message like this. Sorry, this is my description message. Okay, you have to type a message like this. If you want a free copy of this book, then check here, you will get a free 30 days trial on Audible. Okay, you have to simply write a message like this, then you have to give the affiliate link. And the main problem is here, so some of your social media network will not accept Audible affiliate link or CPA link or any other links. Okay, for this reason you have to go on my channel back, and you have to give this comment at any type of this video. Okay, audiobooks related video. So then you have to go on my channel. I only upload CPA marketing, digital marketing and affiliate marketing related videos. And if you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and follow my other videos also. This is the good videos I make. And if you go on most popular, they are the most popular videos on my channel. Actually I recently started my channel, so stay with us and subscribe to my channel. I will give you a big respect, and I will give a value of your time more than any other channel. I give you a guarantee. And you have to visit this video I am finding. You have to watch this video, then you will able to understand how you can directly promote CPA or affiliate or any other links on any social media. So watch this video. I will give this video link on the card option. Hope you will like the video, and you have also liked this video. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and watch this video and stay with us. My personal request to you.